practice of tattooing rabbits has been around for decades and is most commonly used in commercial rabbit breeding facilities. This process involves tattooing a unique identification number in the animal's left ear. To start with gathering the supplies, we will need nail clippers, puppy pads, alcohol, ear numbing spray, tattoo pen, gloves, cotton balls, tattoo ink, inkwell, notepad with pen, tattoo pen, and bunny wraps. Be sure to double and triple check the assigned number of each animal. Lay your puppy pads down to protect your tattoo area, as everyone has spilled ink before, so it's best to be prepared. I like to trim nails before I tattoo, so when the rabbit goes to scratch its ear later, the nails aren't sharp. Tattooing is a safe and humane practice that causes minimal discomfort to the rabbit. The tattooing process is very quick and usually only takes a couple of minutes. Additionally, the tattoo is a permanent part of the rabbit's identification. This way, the animal is easily identified throughout its life. The main concern about tattooing is that if not done properly, it can lead to infection. To minimize this risk, use sterile equipment every single time you tattoo a rabbit, as well as following up with tattoo aftercare. This includes sterilizing the ear before the tattoo and checking afterwards for any swelling, redness, or discomfort. Each rabbit is tattooed with a unique identification number. Alright, so now that she's done being tattooed, we're going to set this aside to clean it later. Her letters are pretty good to start off with, so now I'm going to take a little bit of the bag balm, the smallest amount of bag balm, and very gentle. This is an open wound, so you want to treat it just like you would if you were healing a tattoo for yourself. If you didn't know, to show your animal they must have a tattoo. This allows judges and staff to award the correct placings and ensure that the right animals go home with their owners. At shows, your animals will be grouped by age, gender, and color, so you want to be sure you can find your rabbit after. With the tattoo, breeders track the genetic lineage of their rabbits and make informed decisions about which animals to breed together. This is especially important for breeders who are working to improve certain traits in their rabbits, such as size, fur quality, or disease resistance. Ultimately, the decision to tattoo rabbits should be based on careful consideration of the risks and benefits, as well as the specific needs of the breeding operation. And if you're looking to get into showing your rabbits, click this next video to learn more. Remember, you can create abundance for you, your family, and your community. And until next time, be weird and be you.